What's the most expensive thing you've gotten for an insanely cheap price? 1. I went to a garage sale and the kid there was putting a for sale sign in the window of a F-150. I asked the price and he said he didn't know what would I offer. I said the best I could do is $4,000. He said sold. I soon was driving in 2001 truck with only 50k miles and no rust, and brand new tires on it. 2. I was driving past a yard sale with no intention of stopping when I saw something that made me stop. I went over and looked. It was a Shopsmith. The elderly woman told me it belonged to her husband who could no longer use it. It was a 1964 model. There was a box with every possible attachment including the bandsaw and the lathe accessories. I casually asked what she wanted for it. She said she wanted $60. I told her it was worth way more. She said she could not sell it because it was so large. No one wanted it. I gave her the $60 and called my brother and he came with